So you want to know the top 2 ways to avoid a shitty health insurance plan, do you? Okay, watch this first. That intro is kind of long. I think I might have to cut it short next time. What do you think? Okay, so huge disclaimer. This video is meant for somebody that is pretty healthy. If you are the type of person, however, that has a pre-existing condition like heart disease, stroke, cancer, renal failure, you go see the doctor every 3 months for diabetes, you spend over $100 a month worth of medications, this video is not right for you. I'm gonna make a separate video that would apply to people that have pre-existing conditions. But for this particular video, it's meant for people that just need health insurance for just in case reasons, just in case, God forbid, an accident or a major illness diagnosis. Okay, so if you're healthy, the first way to avoid a shitty health insurance plan is to actually buy a health insurance plan that has a non-ACA PPO built into it. Don't buy a plan that has an HMO, EPO, or POS. All it is are shit. Buy a plan that is at least a PPO plan. Why? Because there's essentially 2 reasons why. Non-ACA PPO, first of all, non-ACA stands for Non-Affordable Care Act or Non-Obamacare PPO plans. I will make another separate video talking about the differences between an ACA Major Medical plan versus a non-ACA Major Medical plan, so watch out for that one. But there's essentially 2 reasons why you'd want to pick a non-ACA PPO plan. Number 1, you can have access to the most highly recommended doctors and prestigious hospitals within your area. Number 2, you can get network discounts as large as like 80% off your medical bill. So imagine if your medical bill is $1,000 and you got 80% off $1,000, you could get $800 off and you would only have to pay $200 out of pocket. That's a pretty good situation. But if you bought a health insurance plan that had an HMO, an EPO, or POS type of network, you're not going to get the best of the best doctors and hospitals within your area, and your discounts are not going to be that high. So that's why I say pick a PPO. So quick joke. What does a medical student become after they graduate medical school at the top of their class? What do they become? I don't know. A doctor. Then, what does a medical student become after they graduate at the bottom of their class in medical school? A doctor also.
Oh, okay.
So, having a big network of highly recommended doctors is ideal. This is why there's such a thing as a second opinion. This is why doctors have malpractice insurance, because they don't want to, give out the wrong information. So, PPO. Hell no, HMO. Second way to avoid a shitty health insurance plan if you're a healthy individual is to choose a plan that is a major medical plan over a fixed benefit health insurance plan by itself. See, a fixed benefit health insurance plan is also called an indemnity health insurance plan. Try saying indemnity 30 times in a row. Indemnity, indemnity, indemnity. But anyways, for the sake of this video, we're gonna call it fixed benefit health insurance plan. And what that means is that this plan gives you a fixed amount of cash whenever you go see the doctor or you get a surgery or you go for labs. For example, you go see a doctor, you can get a $100 credit towards that doctor visit if you have a fixed benefit health insurance plan. But what if the doctor visit was a $400 charge? Hypothetically speaking, after network discounts, you might get $100 off that $400 bill, and so you have $300 left over. But then you're gonna get a $100 credit towards that $300 balance. So 300 minus 100 is gonna be $200 out of your own pocket. So what you think may be a free preventative wellness visit might be $200, and that sucks. So another situation, let's say that you're on a ladder, like this dude right here, and you're not being careful, and you fall down, and you rack up $50,000 worth of medical bills. Why are you sweating, bro? After network discounts, you might get $15,000 off, and so therefore you have a $35,000 balance. But some fixed benefit health insurance plans can only give you $10,000 towards a surgery. So a $10,000 credit towards a $35,000 balance is going to leave you with a $25,000 hole in the pocket. That is what you call a shit plan. So a fixed benefit health insurance plan by itself for a healthy individual is not a good thing by itself. Consider at least a major medical health insurance plan if you're healthy. Because a major medical health insurance plan has what you call a stop-loss gap feature, which means that there's a cap on what you are financially responsible for. So let's say, for example, with your major medical health insurance plan, you get in a bad car accident. That's a pretty serious B-roll right there. Anyways, let's say it's a bad car accident and it's like $100,000 worth of medical bills. If your stop loss was only, or let's say if your deductible is only $6,000, let's say after network discounts with your major medical plan, you might get $25,000, $30,000, let's say $30,000 off that $100,000 bill, and you're left with a $70,000 balance. Well, even though you have a $70,000 balance, you're not going to be responsible for the entire $70,000 balance because all you got to meet is that $6,000 deductible. Once you reach the $6,000 deductible, that $70,000 goes down to $63,000. And once you reach your deductible with your major medical health insurance plan, the rest should be covered at 100% if you stay in the network. So all you got to pay is the $6,000, and that's it. That's the main difference between a major medical health insurance plan versus a fixed benefit health insurance plan. Again, with major medical plan, there's a cap that you pay, which is $6,000. With fixed benefit health insurance plans, you get a fixed amount of cash for whenever you see the doctor or you get a surgery or get labs. Anything that's left over is your responsibility. If you got questions regarding this video, you can reach out to me directly at somehealthinsuranceguy@gmail.com. Or if you have a video suggestion, just make a comment below. Until next time, click this next video because I'm going to talk about the differences between an ACA major medical plan versus a non-ACA major medical plan. Go ahead, click it. You're not going to click it, are you? You're going to binge watch Game of Thrones or Avengers, aren't you? Yeah, I would. Oh, Amazon's here. It's just Amazon!